Replace music files that you should to know. Step 1. Prepare the following tools: Android data cable, a laptop computer, or a panel, or a desktop computer, even a smartphone if you can link it and transfer files. Step 2. Prepare your music files in the computer. Open the front cabinet door. Insert the Android data cable. Link to your device, which was prepared music files. Waiting for access. Make sure you have backed up the original files before deleting them. And delete. Copy and replace files. Exit connection. And close the door. And done. Enjoy.
Fly them!